Hi, welcome back, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a mukbang and talk to you guys. I'm gonna discuss how I became a six-figure stylist, how I went from being broke, flat broke as a stylist to becoming a six-figure stylist. And I'm gonna do that while I eat on my breakfast because I have a client that'll be here in about another hour and a half. So I'm like, I might as well get in my breakfast too before my client gets here. So I have the egg white grill sandwich, breakfast sandwich, and then some fruit. And of course, something to drink. I love Simply orange juice, super good. So I'll be drinking on this and just talking to you guys about how to become a six-figure stylist, because we all want to make money, right? We don't want to be doing something we love and not making money doing it. So please don't judge my nails. I need to get them done. I've actually been so busy at the salon, I haven't had time to go into the nail salon to get them done, really. So, but okay, so I'm gonna start off with talking to you guys about, kind of informing you guys on my story. For those of you that aren't familiar with my story, well, mine's is, I started off in, I lived in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, which is where I'm from, and I moved to Nevada, Henderson, Nevada, and started doing hair here. I've been here in Nevada almost 4 years, and it was a struggle trying to start up, like legit. I didn't have any clientele when I first started, and it was very, very hard. I started off doing booth rent. And so I didn't start in like a commission-based salon or anything like that, but I started off doing booth rent. Everybody told me I was crazy as hell. I'm bullheaded sometimes, so I kind of do what I want to do in some cases. So that was the thing that I decided to just do what I wanted to do. And boy, I'm gonna tell y'all, I decided to do that, and I felt like it was a huge mistake because I wasn't secure. I didn't have a clientele built up. I had just moved here, and it was very, very hard. For the first year or so, or actually a little bit longer than that, my husband was pretty much keeping up with my booth rent because I just couldn't even afford to pay booth rent. Yeah, it was very, very hard, very difficult in the beginning. Over the years, what I have learned that has helped me along the way and helped me to become a six-figure stylist is quite a few things. And I'm gonna start off with the first thing. But what I want y'all to do before I go into talking more in depth about how to become a six-figure stylist, if you guys so far have liked what you've seen and you're new here, then make sure you go and be a part of the family and go and hit that subscribe button. You know, go and subscribe to your girl's channel. And, you know, show me some support, some love. And like this video if you enjoy the content that I'm delivering to you guys today. So the number one thing that I learned was, first of all, you need to build up a strategy, a plan as to what you're gonna do to build up your clientele. Because that's the main thing you need. You need to know how to build up your clientele. You need to know how many clients you need in order to meet the amount of money that you want to make in a year. You have control over how much you make as a stylist. It's up to you to charge accordingly. It's up to you to make sure that you are going over your numbers. You have a quota that you have to meet every day. Nobody told me how hard this mukbang is. I'm trying to eat and talk, and the whole time I'm thinking in the back of my head is, my mama used to always tell me when I was a kid, like, don't talk and eat, or don't eat and talk with your mouth open. That's not being a lady. You have to be a lady. Always eat with your mouth closed. So I'm like, I hope they ain't seeing all the food in my mouth and all of that stuff. But what I learned is you have to go in every day knowing that you have some type of goal as to what you want to achieve financially before you even go into work that day. So if you know you want to make $100,000 a year, right? So that means your monthly goal needs to be $8,300, okay? Which means your weekly goal needs to be $2,075, which means if you're working 5 days a week, your daily goal needs to be $400 and some odd change, $15, something like that, $20. Every day I go into work, I have to make at least, if I'm working 5 days a week, I have to make at least $400 in order to meet that quota at the end of the year. In order to make that quota at the end of the day, and I need to make that consistently for 5 days. I was not doing that before. Actually, what I would do is go into the salon. I would look at the books and look at my books and see what I had, and I'd be like, oh, I don't got nobody today. I'm gonna just sit here and surf the internet on my phone. Maybe post on Instagram, maybe. When I first started, I actually wasn't even posting on Instagram like that because I wasn't really even hip to Instagram like that about almost 4 years ago. So I was just like, you know, whatever, I'll be on Facebook. And I did that for so long and it brought me nothing. My first year was so sad. As a stylist, I was literally broke. It was bad. It was really bad, y'all. With time, I started to figure out how to do this thing called entrepreneurship because I didn't want to be broke. I'm like, I can't do this. I can't make money doing this. Like, hair don't make money. Don't ever let anybody tell you that doing hair does not make any money, that it does not render you any money. That is a lie. Don't ever let nobody tell you that you can't make no money, that it's too saturated, that everybody is doing hair, blah, 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 all that. It don't matter. There's lots of burger places. There's lots of pizza places. There's lots of clothing places. Like, everything is saturated. Every field is saturated. There's nothing that you can't do and stand out in your own way and still be able to be successful in that thing. So don't let nobody tell you all that. That's crazy. That's nonsense. But in the beginning, I was telling myself that. Of course, there was people saying it as well, but I was also telling myself that because I really believed that I could not make any money. But I thought I couldn't make any money without having a second job. And that's not true either. You don't have to be a stylist and have another job. Like, this can be your only means of income, and you can be fine doing just hair. That's it. Like, you just have to follow these steps, okay? So that's the first one, okay? The next one is market yourself. This one is so important. It can't be skipped. You need to market yourself every single day, whether you have somebody in your chair or not, whether you have enough clientele or not, whether you sick at home, at the salon or whatever or not. You have to market yourself every single day, okay? You want to build up a buzz behind your name in your city. And if you continue to market yourself, eventually people in your city will start to know you. You'll be well known. And then you'll be able to continue to get clientele that will flood into your business. And then you'll be able to fill those slots that you have missing, which is what I do. So the number one marketing tool to use, I feel like it's free. It's social media. Don't skip Facebook. I mean, like, that is actually a good place to market your business. Marketplace. Being in those hair groups. You never know what people in your city might be looking for a stylist and be a part of those hair groups. So using those hair groups and, you know, and yeah. And then also Instagram as well. the Instagram, I was using that and I was doing hashtags. I was showcasing my work and doing hashtags. Those hashtags are important as well. I know everybody preach about hashtags, but they are important and they will render you some clients. You want to make sure that you're also creating ads. That's the paid promotion right there. So you create the ads through Instagram, create ads through Facebook. And what I also do is I do Instagram, or not Instagram, I'm sorry. I also do Craigslist. Now Craigslist charges $5 per ad. And I usually post maybe about 2 to 3 times a day. And then also another paid promotion that I use is called Google. You can also pay for Google ads. So when somebody search up certain things like, okay, I want a Vegas hairstylist or Henderson stylist, whatever, then you'll be the first one to pop up. And that's what happened with me. I got the Google ad. You want to also do Yelp. Make sure you have reviews on everything that you can have reviews on. Make sure your clientele that you currently have are leaving reviews everywhere that they can. Because what happens is when people want to look you up and see if they want to deal with your business or not, they're going to go and search you up on Google. And when they go and search you up on Google, they're going to want to see some good reviews pop up. It's important because people like to go with the hype. And if everybody's raving about you and saying, oh, how good you are, the next person is going to be they're going to want to also work with you as well because of everybody else. The third thing is you want to find a product to sell. Something you believe in. Don't just sell stuff to be selling it. So whatever you're using, you more than likely want to sell because people will be subject to buy what they see their stylist using, you know, or what they stylists recommend. So make sure you're always recommending products for your clients so they leave out of the salon with something in their hand. That's the key, okay? You shouldn't have, in 2020, don't be in the salon and not sell products. That is not going to render you any money. And another thing you want to do is set yourself apart from other stylists in your city. For me, the fact that I am in Henderson, where there's not a lot of black stylists, a lot of people that do what I do, that alone was something that pretty much made me stand out from the beginning, and I capitalized on that. And last but not least, you want to create an experience for your clients. Make them feel like they can't get this anywhere else. A lot of my clients rant and rave about how good my head massages are when they're getting washes. And for me, that's my experience that I give to all of my clients for them to set me apart from other stylists. So, you know, just make sure you're giving your clients an experience. Make sure you make them feel like they're special when they come through the door. I'm very proud of myself. I did not think that I would ever be here. And just to see the growth that I've made over the years, it really warms my heart to know that I've come such a long way. But you also can come a long way as well. You just have to put in the work, and you just have to do these steps that I just mentioned to you because they are very important. They will help you. If you guys would like for me to go very, very deep into, deep in depth in regards to how to become a six-figure stylist, then we can do a whole entire, I can do like a whole series if you guys want. If that's something you guys are interested in, then make sure you comment down below. Leave that so I know. So I hope this video helped you guys in some way. I do pray over all of you guys' businesses. I hope that you guys have a prosperous business and a profitable business. And I hope that all of you guys will be able to experience making 6 figures or more. So next time, I'll see you all on another video. Make sure you go and subscribe. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. All right, bye.